Hello everyone. Hey, thanks for joining. Hey, today we're going to talk about the top 10 things a new help desk manager should do. Starting a position as a new help desk manager is a rewarding experience. Customers will appreciate that you're doing some outstanding work and you're following these steps to be prompt, efficient, and accurate. To reach this level of success, though, you need to audit and understand your help desk environment so you can really provide great service. And as a help desk manager, auditing your environment with the help desk management tools and books and kits and information, you can make some aggressive changes. However, it doesn't mean that capturing all this information and looking at it means that you're able to change it. It takes a lot of work and time, so it's a lot to cover so you can get this improvement going. And so if you're a new help desk manager, come on board. We're going to start talking about the top 10 things, starting with number one. Number one for the top 10, what a new help desk manager should do, is meet with the stakeholder groups. It's important as a new help desk manager to quickly build relationships. Input from stakeholders are key. These stakeholders are your department leaders, your customers you support, the staff that report to you, and the vendors you have contact with. Understanding your perspective of what's working and what's not is very important. If stakeholders do not raise an issue of concern or something that bothers them about a project or your work effort at the help desk, you should try and get to know and understand what the issue is. You should take that issue, log it, research it, and then get feedback back to the customer that raised it or the stakeholder that raised it. This will help you uncover the real and perceived issues at your help desk if you follow up on these issues. For managing vendors, it's important a new help desk manager is familiar with the contracts and the services that you contracted. Ensure that you have processes in place to ensure that their performance are meeting what is required. Best practice number 2, learn the business. While your role as a help desk manager is primarily customer support, ultimately you have to know your company's business, products, and applications. It's important that the help desk understand what services are mission critical for the business. Mission critical services are the highest priority. Your department and your help desk need to be experts at supporting it. If changes are made, the new help desk manager needs to be a partner with the development team, and then when they roll out the changes, you need to be part of those changes. If there are problems, it needs to be documented, communicated, and the department has to provide support. As new services are added, the new help desk manager should engage with the project team, and then they should have support knowledge created, transferred into the help desk, and the agents trained on it so when support comes of that new service that you're ready to go. Best practice number 3, mature a Knowledgebase. A Knowledgebase is a repository of customer and application and service support information that has been optimized for fast retrieval, and it's to provide just-in-time support. Knowledge is gathered by data mining company systems, working with application development teams, from project meetings, from customer feedback, and from useful support data and information learned over the years. This data and information is turned into support knowledge. There are 8 steps to create and mature a knowledge management system. By creating and maturing a knowledge base, a new help desk manager will increase the first contact resolution, resolving the issue on the first contact with the customer. A knowledge base will also lower the reoccurrence of a customer issue since the issue will be resolved correctly the first time. Best practice number 4, new help desk manager and staff. As a new help desk manager, your staff may have been self-managed. There may have not been a manager in their role, and now you're coming in to take over. So you have to meet with the staff. As a new help desk manager, you have to assume that there's issues with the roles, the work schedules, attendance, expectations, performance, and training. It's important to set up team meetings and one-on-one meetings right away with the staff. As you gain their trust, you will learn what may be causing some issues with your staff and the support issues. Best practice number 5, create a mission statement. A mission statement is a cornerstone of your department. It defines the reason your department exists, what it does, and how it does it. A new mission statement is a foundation where your organization chart, processes, attitude, and customer interaction are built from. It assists a new help desk manager in evaluating your current state, progress towards goals, and unifying the department in a strategic direction. Whether it's written down or not, every company has a mission statement. Take ownership and control of your most important statement. Best practice number 6, understand your phone system. First of all, you need to make sure your help desk agent support calls are recorded. All but the most basic help desk will have an automatic call distributor, or ACD. Will also have a call recording system available most likely. An ACD will handle incoming and outgoing calls to make sure they follow the call routines that you set up. Part of an ACD is usually a call recording and archive system. Each of the calls handling will be recorded for future playback and review. If you do not have this service available, there are many hosted and on-site support options available. Check with your phone system engineer or the vendor for call recording options available. Best practice number 7, understand your ticketing application. Creating a customer contact directory or ticket is an industry standard for help desk. Every customer contact with the help desk needs to have a ticket created. Each ticket created needs to follow a classification scheme organized by the customer's issues when they contact the help desk for support. Proper ticket classification of issues enables the help desk to sort the tickets into support buckets. This will allow the help desk to quickly identify support trends, reduce the time to identify widespread problems. It also gives you the opportunity to focus on high priority issues instead of just any issue. Help desk best practice number 8, create an audit program for ticket and call quality assurance. Proactive help desk performance management is more than documenting procedures, measuring KPI metrics, and training staff. To truly find out how well your customers are being handled, help desk management teams need to audit their calls and tickets on a regular schedule. That is where the help desk audit program can help you. It can help you ensure the help desk agents are providing high quality customer service. Your audit program for help desk ticket and call quality will require you to build a grading process. This will allow you to fairly score the calls and tickets against consistent standards. A help desk audit program will allow you the following things. It will allow you to gather accurate metrics for incentive awards. It will allow you to fairly gauge agent performance. It will allow you to build annual performance review criteria. It will allow you to develop training programs. And it will help you uncover inappropriate behavior. Help desk best practice number 9, gather your key performance indicators. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, are used by management to understand how the team is performing. This performance is against set standards, goals, and objectives. It's important that you ensure that you're capturing accurate data. Most of your data will come from the phone system. It could also come from your ticketing system, and it also could come from your audit program scorecards. Gather your key performance indicators, best practice number 9. And finally, best practice number 10, control incident management. An incident is an event that's not part of a standard operation of the service, causing an interruption to the quality of service. The goal of incident management is to return the service to normal functionality quickly while minimizing the impact to the business. You must make sure that your team is creating incident tickets, assigning priorities, escalating as needed or appropriate to resolver groups, and following up with the customer before closing the ticket. As a new help desk manager, you must audit the incident management process. Auditing ensures that incident priority is set correctly, that ticket classification categories are functional, and that escalated ticket queues are being managed appropriately.